In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up and create a Miro account. Whether you're new to digital collaboration or just need a simple and straightforward guide, I've got you covered. Miro is an amazing platform for creating virtual whiteboards and collaborating with teams, so let's dive in and get you started. First, you'll want to head over to the sign up page. You can do this by visiting miro.com/signup directly or simply clicking on the Sign Up button right on the Miro homepage. It's a seamless start to what will soon be a new adventure in digital workspace collaboration. Once you're on the Sign Up page, you'll see a variety of methods to register your account. You can choose to sign up using your email address. This involves entering your name, using either your work or personal email, crafting a password that you can remember easily, and agreeing to Miro's terms of service and privacy policy. Alternatively, if you prefer using single sign-on options to minimize the number of passwords you need to manage, Miro supports that too. You can sign up using Google, Slack, Microsoft 365, Apple, or even Facebook. Simply click on the option you prefer, and you'll be directed to authenticate using your chosen provider. After registering, it's time to confirm your email address, an essential step in activating your new account. If you signed up with an email and password, Miro will send a confirmation code or link straight to your inbox. Be sure to check your email and click on Confirm Your Email. Or, if preferred, you can enter the code they sent. Now, if you find yourself waiting and no email seems to arrive, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, confirmation emails get caught there. If needed, you can resend the confirmation. Just remember, any unconfirmed accounts may be deleted after a period of 7 days, so it's important to complete this step promptly. With your email confirmed, you'll move on to creating or joining a team. If you've been invited to join an existing team, the process is simple, and you'll be added immediately. If not, Miro will prompt you to create your own free plan team or join your organization's team. The free plan is a wonderful way to start without any commitments, offering you the opportunity to create up to 3 editable boards at any given time. Finally, after sorting out your team settings, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you'll see the team you've just created or joined, giving you a central hub to manage it all. To get started on your first project, simply click on Plus Create New Board. You'll have the option to start fresh or choose from a multitude of templates. Don't forget to personalize it by renaming your board. Just click on the default title and make it your own. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to unlocking creativity and collaboration on Miro. Enjoy your new digital workspace and explore all the amazing features Miro has to offer.